Okay, we're going to talk about how to support the substructure for your deck. There's a whole host of different ways of doing this, and there's a whole host of different applications that are going to help form your decision about how you do it. These pedestals are primarily used for if you need to deck over an existing substructure that you can't or don't want to remove. For example, a GRP roof, a rubber roof, a concrete slab that you don't want to take up, or those kind of situations. These are adjustable, and when I say adjustable, I mean truly adjustable. These particular ones are the Queen pedestals. They're adjustable in height, and they are also adjustable in pitch. The trick bit, the bit that makes it adjustable, is this Queen Plus insert, the red bit. That has to be installed to make it adjustable for pitch. Without that, it's still adjustable in height, but only height. The base plate remains in line with the top plate. Incredibly, these go up to 1500 millimeters and down as low as 20 millimeters. You need to space these out in accordance with the joist that you're using. This little demonstration setup here, we're using 2x2 or 50mm by 50mm plastic joists. They can span 600 millimeters unsupported. In the other direction, you should always keep your joist at 400mm centers. The interface between these Queen pedestals, and in this instance the plastic joists or potentially timber joists, is really straightforward. This black component on top twists to pinch tight against the joist, and then there are pre-drilled opportunities to fix with screws from the pedestal into the joist, keeping everything tight. We've already looked at the adjustability of these. It's the top piece with the addition of this red Queen Plus insert that affords this setup that adjustability. If your application dictates that that's not suitable, there is an alternative, and that is this. This is called a King pedestal. It's adjustable for height, goes down to 30 millimeters, all the way up to 1500 millimeters, but the adjustment for level on this one is at the bottom. So your application may be more suited to a King pedestal over a Queen pedestal. Another benefit of this is it has a rubber contact between your joist and the pedestal, which helps for sound deadening, and it's heat resistant as well. So Ecoscape really have got all bases covered with these pedestals, and the choice is largely down to you. If you need some guidance, Ecoscape can help. They offer a service whereby if you give them some drawings, they can estimate and help you quantify which specific pedestals and in which configuration are going to be best suited to your project.